Hey everybody, doing a short, quick video, I hope, of the LS10. I've been having fuel issues again, and I guess I needed to clean my injectors, or should clean my injectors, to try to eliminate that issue because I've kind of gone through everything else. So instead of trying to buy some fancy, or take them to somebody to clean them for me, I came across something that's pretty cool online, so let me show you. So here we're in the back of the Silverado. Here's my intake. I got my fuel rails here, all my injectors here. Basically the kit you can buy online comes with, looks like 3D printed tubes where you can slide your injectors in and push them down on the bottom of a spray can. And it comes with two different sets of alligator clips with I guess different fuel injector types. Not really sure what this kit fixed, but I'll put info about it on the description below. And then, so this one comes with, like I said, 2 injector holes. Can you see that? Yeah, okay. So on these, they fit pretty snug, which is pretty sweet. And it comes with the appropriate size pigtails, and they only go in one way, so you know that you won't get that backwards. Alright, so here we are in the Silverado. Battery's right here. I already got the negative hooked up. Positive terminal will be this guy. So we're not going to clip that just yet. We're going to wait until we're set up over here. I'm just using brake cleaner just because what I have, I don't have a lot, so I'll have to go to the store and get some more, obviously. But basically, you can kind of see it sits in like that. And it is a little loose, I will say that much right off the bat, and it is a little offset, which kind of might be annoying. I don't know. So we're going to point that. There's not a good place to point this thing, is there? Well, we'll just point it towards y'all. Hopefully y'all can see that. So instructions say that you're just supposed to push down on the can, so you might have some liquid coming out. I don't know if you want to wear gloves or not. And while you're doing that, you want to tap on the terminal right here. Tap the positive and just engage it a few times until it sprays out good. So we're going to start doing that right now. Oh. Played with it around a little bit off camera, so what I ended up doing was zip tying it. That seemed like a good place to start. And then I put my middle finger under it and my index finger on top of it, or the pointing finger. I always forget what they're called. And then I got me a little disposal can, because this stuff kind of was getting everywhere. I mean, it dries. I want to see what's coming out of these injectors. So I got a piece of chafing gear. You know, it's not really meant to capture. I guess it's just meant to deflect. That's all I've had. Bam, bam, bam. Ghetto. But it works. And then I try to apply as much pressure as I can with my 2 fingers. And I just spray it. There we go. Safe to say this injector's clean. You know, I'll just do one for you guys to see how it sprays out. I mean, this is a 42-pound injector, so I'm not really sure how these are supposed to spray out. If you guys know if there's anything different, let me know. I'll just compare all 8 and see how they come out. That seems pretty reasonable to me. So yeah, it's a cool little deal. It could be improvised a little bit, but I'm sure this guy who makes them does it for multiple cars, so it kind of is different. But yeah, it's an easy way to clean your injectors. Thanks for watching.